Hi, I'm McKinnon with Goss Jeep, and today we're going to talk to you about the Quadra-Lift system for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. So the Jeep Grand Cherokee has a Quadra-Lift system. It's called Quadra-Lift 2, and it's got 5 different suspension height settings used for different scenarios. So as of right now, this vehicle is in what they call entry-exit mode. So that's going to have the vehicle in the lowest possible setting to get cargo or occupants in out easier, especially when you turn the car off, or if you've got people who have a hard time getting in, animals, cargo for the rear hatch, things like that. The next height up is going to be what they call aero mode. Now the car will automatically go into this setting at higher speeds, so highway cruising speeds. The vehicle will settle down a little bit lower for aerodynamics and fuel efficiency, which is going to improve handling, things like that. The next one up is going to be what they call normal ride height, and it'll tell you on your dash. So this is going to be normal around town driving. The car will automatically sit here when it needs to. At low enough speeds where you're not on the highway, it will lift up a little bit for some ground clearance. Then you can start going to some of the off-road modes. The first one's going to be off-road 1. So it's going to jack the vehicle up a little bit, giving it more ground clearance, and have increased articulation, and being able to get over small ruts. And then there are certain modes where the vehicle can go into what they call off-road 2. That's going to be the highest possible suspension setting. It's not going to ride great around town. It's built specifically for off-roading, and it will automatically lower at higher speeds to accommodate better drivability. So that concludes the review of the Quadra-Lift system for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you've got any questions, concerns, or just want generic information, don't hesitate to give us a call.